Water is a priceless resource, one necessary for our survival, but one that is quickly running out. With our supply of precious H2O becoming smaller and smaller, making the most out of what we have becomes extremely important. The Greydient system does just that. The filter was designed to limit waste from household appliances by recycling it to sustain a garden. It has the potential to save families money and thousands of liters of water. But how does it work? It's actually quite simple. The main issue involved in using laundry waste to irrigate plants is that laundry detergents are high in phosphates and sodium. Phosphorus is a nutrient that plants need as it stimulates energy transportation to its various systems. However, if soil is too saturated with it, it can starve the plant of other crucial nutrients for survival. Like phosphates, high amounts of salt can also be damaging to plants, as they can dry out the tissues, making it difficult to retain water. Wastewater is sent through the filter, which is full of various filter materials, becoming more and more fine to filter out as much of the pollutants as possible. Once the water exits the filter, it has a noticeable difference. Okay, we're going to try a salt level test. So the detergent water before filter gave us a reading of 4, which accounts for 1,270 parts per million of salt. Now let's filter it and see what comes out. So we just tested the second filter. It gave us a reading of 2.8, which corresponds to 720 parts per million. Now the filter may not catch all of the harmful chemicals, so there are some additional factors that the user may want to consider. Firstly, using detergents that are low in phosphates and sodium can greatly reduce the amount of pollutants going into the system in the first place. Phosphates can make a great food source for algae, causing them to reproduce out of control. If you are located to a large body of water, it may not be wise to use the system as to prevent upsetting the ecosystem with an increased algae population. It's very simple, and it works, producing filtered water to sustain your garden. Thank you.